Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Coupa AI for automated spend analysis workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Coupa AI for automated spend analysis workflows, begin by logging into your Coupa account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Settings menu on the left-hand side. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. Within the Settings menu, find the Integrations section. Select Integrations to view the available options for activation. Look for Coupa AI in the list of integrations. Click on Coupa AI to access its configuration settings. You will see an option to enable the feature. Toggle the switch to activate. A pop-up may appear, prompting you to confirm the activation. Review the information and click Confirm to proceed. Next, configure the spend analysis parameters according to your organization's needs. Specify the data sources that will feed into the spend analysis. Ensure that you have the correct access to these data sources. Set the frequency for automated analysis, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Review the notification settings for alerts and reports. Adjust these settings as necessary to receive timely updates. Once all configurations are complete, click Save to finalize the setup. You may want to run a test analysis to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the reports generated by the system for any discrepancies. If necessary, revisit the settings to make adjustments. With Coupa AI activated, you can now benefit from streamlined and efficient spend analysis workflows. Regularly monitor the system for further optimizations based on your findings. This will help you maximize the tools available for effective spend management. Ensure that your team is informed about any new updates or training related to Coupa AI. Feedback from your team can help improve the effectiveness of the automated workflows. Keep exploring the features of Coupa AI to take full advantage of its capabilities. Stay proactive in managing your spend analysis to enhance decision-making in your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.